Ponies lined up just before they roll on the block, like this 1980 Trans Am Turbo. You got the screaming chicken breathing fire right into that turbo gauge, which is so cool because you can see how much turbo you are using while you're driving. Now this one's got
what?
Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button.
Customer states tire is wobbling.
TPMS sensor's messed up.
TPMS sensor non-functional.
Wait, that's not it.
But wait, there's more.
$116.
We have a new record, ladies and gentlemen.
Just got a new truck. See this button here. Not sure what it does. Oh!
This customer had concerns about low braking power. The technician found out that someone had installed the brake pads backward.
Every time.
Stop! Diesel! Remember, diesel!
In the future, I bet we'll have cat mechanics. Just watch.
Yes, what's wrong?
Oh, you're gonna need a new transmission?
What's wrong? Oh, yes, that is wrong right here. Yes, it is. What the fuck?
Well, that might have been the entire... She actually found the problem.
Hold on, Kobe. We might actually find for fucking
Dude, Kobe...
Diesel fuel turning slushy at a bone-chilling -30 degrees Fahrenheit.
This is the slowest idling car I've ever seen.
60.
This is idling at like
60.
Yeah, 60, like
60 RPM.
Ones per second. 1 per minute.
No, I stand corrected. 20.
We're idling at 20 RPM, huh?
Well, it's...
Oh my gosh. Let's get started. Even giving it more air. What the heck? What? What?
Come on.
The wheel! Send it! Yeah!
That was pretty dirty.
This customer complained that another mechanic refused to work on his truck. Here's what the technician found out. Do you think all states should have mandatory safety inspections?
Present to y'all my new grinding glasses. You got two magnets that go on filters right here. So what you do is you just strap these bad boys on, like so. So whenever you're grinding and stuff like that, just none of the stuff will fly into your eyeballs. They'll get caught around the lenses. For more tips, follow Skippy and Ryan on TikTok.
I might see something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's
a tough call.
Do you think it's moving at all? Is there any air coming out through the crankcase, dude?
Okay, let's just check the oil. Oh, snaps. Okay, now let's check the engine.
Man, small crack. Tell me what weight JB can't do, bro. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Hold up. Bro.
Future YouTube certified mechanics be like,
Customer states glove box will not close, which is true. That'll be $59.97.
Watch this.
this customer added weights to his wheels to drive his rear-wheel drive car during the winter.
So Chris did an oil change on this truck in 2018. This is a new one saying last oil change 2018, this change 23. Next change, say happy birthday to the dead mouse. There's been a dead mouse here since that oil change. So we decided to make him happy. He's got a little party hat. He's got a little Patrick the Star party favor. Happy birthday!
This guy discovered that the Honda Civic he bought has a homemade exhaust cutout. And that's it for today's video. Wish you all a Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.